God, I hope my phone is okay. Oh, my phone's okay. Oy vey. Hi everybody, today we're going to do something just a little bit different. Instead of cooking a meal, we are going to be baking a dessert. We are going to make 3-ingredient Nutella brownies. And the best thing is that this recipe calls for only 3 ingredients, but I'm also adding 3 optional ingredients to make it a little more tasty.
I count 6 ingredients.
Right, 3 that are necessary and 3 optional.
Okay, you get a 8x8 square pan, line it with parchment paper, and Jane taught me a cute little trick. Butter the pan first.
Underneath.
Under the parchment paper,
Yeah.
and then look, the parchment paper sticks nice, because this is the pain in the ass to work with.
Yeah, it sticks, and also, like, you won't get, like, those burnt, you know, crusties on the parchment paper.
How does parchment paper not go on fire in the oven? That's
I
the
don't
big
know.
question.
I have no idea, but it's, like, magical. You preheat your oven to 350, and the 3 ingredients...
Can I guess what the 3 ingredients are supposed to be in this dish?
Sure.
Because confused. So obviously it's going to be the eggs.
3 eggs. Actually 2 eggs, and 1 you're going to use just the yolk.
The flour
Yes, that's half a cup.
and the Nutella.
And Nutella. Now we have pan stelle that we tasted in our Italian sweet snack taste test, which I'll put a card right up here with the link. And the 3 eggs, like John said, and then the half cup of flour.
It does not seem like enough ingredients in it.
Well, here's the thing. If you want your brownies to be a little more on the chewy side and a little more soft, you use less flour, and the egg yolk helps also.
I know, but this looks like
That's all you need.
I don't believe it. How come when you buy a box of like Betty
Yeah.
Crocker or Duncan Hines, it's got like a big bag?
It does. That's flour, cocoa powder. Don't forget, there's a lot of cocoa powder in it.
Don't forget it. How could I forget something I never knew?
Can we just move on
Yes,
with the
all
recipe?
right, go ahead.
Okay. So the 3 optional ingredients
Damn the folks.
to make it a little healthy, and maybe you like bananas with your chocolate. So I have 2 ripe bananas. Why?
Because I laugh every time, and you did this in another thing that we put together that is completely unhealthy, and you say, if you want to try to make it a little healthy, add this.
Well,
no way you're making the brownies healthy.
Well, it helps a little bit. There's some moms out there that want to get fruit into their kids to give them a little fiber so they'll go to the bathroom. There's nothing
It's
worse
just-
than a constipated kid when you're home during a quarantine. I'm just
I
saying.
just find it funny.
All right. And then I put,
It's funny.
to who?
Everybody.
And then there's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because sometimes with sweet you want to just have a little bit of salt to balance it. Then half a cup of chocolate chips. I like to mix semi-sweet with the regular ones, and you're probably wondering why would I do that?
Milk chocolate?
Yes.
I'm just asking you a question because I don't know what a
I
regular
gotta talk to
chocolate
my
chip is.
agent. I really gotta talk
No,
to
I'm
my
not trying to
agent.
be difficult. I'm just
Okay.
trying to get a handle on. I don't
Okay.
know a regular chocolate chip is. What is a regular chocolate
I always put these in my brownies. It just makes it chocolatier, more chocolatey.
chip? Yeah, I'm getting annoyed at this whole operation. That every time I ask a question, you get mad at me. I don't know how to make brown. I want to know
I'm
stuff.
sorry. Can we get on with this?
Yes.
I'd like to move on with
I
my
haven't
day.
eaten yet. I'm hungry and I'm cranky.
The first thing you're gonna do is put the 2 bananas in.
How are we gonna fit in the pan, in the bowl?
God help me. So mash those up. Probably better if you mashed it with a fork first, but you know, this is YouTube. I can feel the judginess. No? No judging? Fantastic.
I don't know.
Mash and mash and mash it. Mash and mash and mash. Mash your bananas. Banana, banana, banana. Okay.
What's next, my love?
Get this out.
How much of this is going in?
The whole thing.
The whole thing?
Yeah, it's gotta be chocolatey.
Oh wow, that seems like a lot of this stuff. Did I put this in my mouth? I don't think I did.
We're the ones that are gonna be eating this.
I know, but there's people out there that get annoyed if I cross-contaminate this.
You did cross-contaminate though, you did.
I
so.
did. It's true. But you know what? Maybe if we had a little bit more germs in our body and a little more contamination, we wouldn't be so susceptible to getting sick all the time.
the elbow, always in my head. Folks, I put the viewfinder the other way so he could see that he has more space than he thinks is his elbow in my face.
Huh?
And I'm having a hot flash. Come on now. You mix that.
That's good.
It is good.
I forgot it's got the little crispies in it.
It's gonna make it even better. Can you lift that up and show them what it looks like?
What do you want me to do? Eggs next or flour?
Yes, the eggs.
So 2 whole eggs, right?
2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk.
You just want the yolk of this, right?
You don't have to do it like
Well,
that.
how am I gonna get the...
You don't know how to do it with
Yeah, I know how to get the whites into what I need to get into, but not
I've
the yolk.
done it. Okay, that's all right.
I did it. It's
So
nice.
you go wash your hands while I mix this.
Flour next?
Yes, ma'am. Sir. Ma'am. Why do you say ma'am? I want to show everybody what it looks like.
Like a brownie mix?
So that kind of looks like with the Duncan Hines stuff.
Yeah, it looks just like it, I guess.
Okay.
What's
and
next?
Then, the 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Now these
So
go
now-
into this?
Yeah, we're gonna fold them in.
What do you mean we're gonna fold? We can't just pour them in and then
You're gonna
and
pour them
stir
in.
it?
That's what folding is. Fold. Never hear that expression in baking? You fold the ingredients.
I don't think that's what you're explaining. I know. So,
Just like really.
no,
get in
it's
there.
all mixed up. Okay, Janie, this is all mixed. Now
Okay.
what?
So now let's pour that baby in.
I'd like to pour it from that side.
Okay. Look at that batter.
Ooh, baby. So you use this and I'll take this and kind of get all the rest of it out. Can't do it all.
But you do it all the time. You're the man. And I'm the woman.
All right, so now what do we do?
Put it in the
Are we
oven.
done with this?
Yeah, we put it in the oven. The
Well,
recipe.
I'll do that, but I did it.
Everybody does it. And now you have to put it in for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna put it in for 20 and check it with a toothpick. That's what it looks like before it goes in. See you in a bit. Oh, I'm
There's
putting
no cannabis in those. Don't do drugs, kids. Just say no. Especially my kids.
Okay, we took it out of the oven after about 25 minutes and it's been cooled down. So I'm gonna let John get right in there.
It smells
Chocolatey?
organic.
Banana-y?
Yeah, it smells
Really?
good.
Here we go with the elbow.
Okay.
Seems very moist. I want to take the piece up and show it to everybody. The inside. You're gonna say something stupid, but I'm gonna talk first. I like the chocolate chips in them. It's a lot more cakier than I thought it would be. Okay, it must be good. That means that you are definitely gonna get something out of this video. You're gonna go and try it. Let me know in the comments below. Like it.
It's
Subscribe.
not cakey at all. Like it doesn't taste like cake. It tastes like
It's got that little bit because it has
like
a little
fudge brownie. These are really good.
Yeah, I know. I don't taste the banana.
I do.
Yeah, a little bit.
Delicious.
This is easy. I'm good.
Yeah,
What?
exactly.
All right, well. First of all, you have more room than you think. You're all up in my, but you're all up in my grill.
Spread out.
What's the name of this channel?
Oy vey. Check sound. Because I set it up in a way that makes it more, you know, you layer your, everything like that. Go ahead.
How does it look?
Terrible.
All right, move it back.
And eggs all over the plate. Put them all.
I gotta deal with temperamental
eggs,
stars.
Nice. You know, you make like a cluster.
You're a doofus. Okay, I gotta stop touching myself. I always touch myself.
First thing you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Say it again.
First thing you're gonna do.
No. Take a pause.
First thing.
No.
I'm sorry, that was snotty. Hi everybody, how are you today? Today we're gonna make something today.
Why don't you start something?
No, this is not my channel. It's your channel.
Did we say we were making brownies?
Nope. You just said you were making dessert.
Okay, we gotta start all over again.
No, we don't.
Can you make them more little? With your hands, you can't.
You better stop making people think that I abuse you.
You
by
do.
yelling.
Oh my gosh, this keeps falling.
Pre-show, dinner and a show.